friends, welcome back to Garden Adventures, and today I just wanted to show you where I am going to place these new plants that I just received. So let me take you through the unboxing and then I'll give you a few details about them.
Guys, I got a box delivered from Garden Goods. This should be fun. Let's see what I got. So I ordered 3 Emerald Petite Arborvitaes. They are 1 to 2 feet tall, and that's exactly what they are. Got a little pamphlet from Garden Goods. Okay, so the packaging is also kind of taped together, so let me push it back. So this cute little guy is a Petite Emerald Arborvitae, and I did get 3 of them. This is a 1 to 2 foot pot, and they were less than $30 each, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. I purchased them through Woody's Garden Goods Direct. The website is gardengoodsdirect.com. I'll put the link in the description if anyone else is interested. They came really well packaged, as you saw. These are zone 3 through 7. They want full sun, and they grow to be 5 to 6 feet tall, 1 to 2 feet wide. So these are perfect for my very small backyard. They do have a regular size that gets to be 8 to 12 feet tall, and a little bit wider, I think 3 to 4 feet wide. But these were perfect for my yard. And I am not 100% sure yet if I want to put them in the ground. So what I'm going to do is place them so you can see where I'm thinking about putting them. You guys, I have a Great Dane and I don't have a very big backyard, so I swore I wasn't going to take up more room for plants, but I think if I put these in containers and place them this year, I don't know, I think that's a good compromise. She'll be able to go around them and we'll see. All right, well, let me show you where I'm placing them, and we'll go from there. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna live with this. The 3 in a row. I do have actually 10 of those containers. The Michelle terracotta container, they were from Home Depot. I got them in January. So I bought 10 of them because they were $4.98. And I think they're really cute. I did notice that my store, at least, the price was raised to $19.98 this week. So check your store, you might still get them on sale, I'm not sure, but I think they're really kind of a cute terracotta pot. So obviously the arb will be lifted up a little bit. Let's take a look. Down in the pot a little bit, so they'll be up at about this level. They'll be up at about that level. So there's enough room in here. There's a couple of inches between the rim of the pot and the arb container. So if that's in the middle, you can see there's room. So I could always plant annuals around it. And if I decide to leave these here, either in containers or plant them in the ground, this is pretty uneven. So I would need to, I think, level it out a little bit before planting them in the ground. The one thing I thought about doing with these containers was doing like a, I don't know, a pot wall or a pot gallery. So I may still do that. I have 10 of them. I could spread them out over here somehow. I have a little more room, you know, in between, and could plant them up differently with different kinds of annuals. The thing is, I may need to move this one because this spot gets a little more shade than the other two will. It will get sun, it will get full sun part of the day. Like right now, it's still morning and this is in full sun, even though it's very overcast today. And then it gets, you know, the midday sun, but it'll be in the shade earlier in the afternoon than the other two. So I just need to measure and make sure it's getting enough sun. So if you do plant these in the ground, it says that they are okay with that. They're okay with most types of soils, whether it's acidic or alkaline or neutral soils. They do well in those types of situations. Just the full sun is important, and I am planting them in containers, so I'm just gonna have to use. So I will use a potting mix in the container. I'll make sure I fertilize. Now the reason I am not potting these up today is that I don't have all of my drip irrigation parts yet. So as soon as those come in, I will pot these up. I'll show that on a video, putting them up on the drip irrigation. That should be this week. And if those things do come, I will also see if I can place the other containers and take a look at how that looks like for you. I actually have, conveniently, I'm not sure if it's convenient or if I planned it, but I also have 10 of the stepping stones. So I could place the stepping stones. So I do have 10 of those. I have 10 of the pots. So I could place them pretty close together and pot those up as annual containers. And I could do, I don't know, container alley, I guess I could call it. I do a different annual arrangement in each of the containers. That could be kind of fun. And these could be kind of the centerpiece in these three. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I think that would be kind of a fun experiment. This wall does get quite full sun, so let me know what you think. All right guys, that's gonna do it for today. I will come back when I do the drip irrigation, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much. And I did get these from Woody's Garden Goods direct, and I am not an affiliate. There is no special link, but if you are interested, I will put the website in the description. Just if you're interested, they had a lot of fun things.